What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Pure Chaos. No fake inspiration, no recovery filter, just the truth. For today, we're talking about something alcoholics know all too well, the lies. Because addiction doesn't usually destroy you all at once, it talks to you first, quietly, convincingly. Alcohol lies to you in a voice that sounds like your own thoughts. It says, you deserve this. It helps you relax. You're most fun when you're drunk. It's not that bad. And you're still in control. That's the dangerous part. Because most alcoholics don't wake up one day trying to destroy their life. They're trying to survive it. Trying to numb stress. Trying to shut off anxiety. Trying to escape pain they don't know how to deal with. But over time, the solution becomes the problem. And alcohol slowly starts collecting payment. First, it takes your mornings, then your motivation, then your relationships, then your piece of identity. Pieces of your identity. You stop doing things that, you used to love. You stop recognizing yourself. And eventually, your world starts shrinking around the addiction. Plans revolve around drinking. Money disappears into drinking. And your emotions depend on drinking. And still, addiction whispers, you're okay. That's what makes alcoholism brutal. It doesn't just damage your body, it changes your thinking. You defend the thing that's hurting you, you make excuses for it, you blame stress, your childhood, your job, other people, anybody except the bottle. Because admitting the truth is terrifying. That truth means change. And change means facing yourself sober. That's where recovery gets really hard. Not physically, but mentally and emotionally. Because now there's no escape hatch. You have to sit with guilt, regret, anxiety, shame. But here's the thing nobody talks about enough. That pain you feel in recovery, that's not weakness. That's healing. That's your mind waking back up. That's you learning how to live without anesthesia. And it's ugly sometimes, but it's real. So if alcohol has been lying to you lately, maybe it's time to stop listening. Because addiction promises comfort, but recovery gives freedom. This is Pure Chaos. Stay real, stay dangerous, and keep fighting.